I continue my tour here in Medjugorje. It's unbelievable. Look, it's a nice fresh breeze. There's St. James Church, a lot of people on the streets. And look at that. There's really life on Saturday night in Medjugorje. So nice. I just met some German friends. I knew from Germany, you see, and also meet people here you know from other places. It's amazing. Just for you that you know what's going on Saturday night in Medjugorje. There should be rain tomorrow and even tonight already. Look at the clouds, you will see. Some thunder and rain. This is famous restaurant Colombo. The terraces are full. The main food is ice cream when it's so hot. I had mine already. By the way, there's a beautiful ice cream shop. I made a video about that shop as well. There is Dubrovnik, Café Dubrovnik, full as well, you see. It feels like rain is coming because the wind is picking up and you can see the clouds over there. Looks like a little rain. We'll see. Maybe I see. You see how here again you have St. James Church. And you see the crowds are here. There you have famous Victor's restaurant up there. And you see it's full. Hello, how are you? And there you go. And there you go. There we go. As you can see, life is busy in Medjugorje at the moment. And I leave you with this beautiful view on St. James Church. And have a good night or a good day wherever you are. God bless you all. I'm praying for you in Medjugorje. And please give a like, subscribe to the channel and share the video that other people also can see the beauty of Medjugorje. Bye bye.